Damn. Look, I've been way too much in the kitchen cooking all these rhymes. Kaban pakele izinja zamba slafane njenge rice. I add a little spice so you can indulge these boys. I got the flavor corner sauce and pellet baking asa. I'm only focused on the price. Then my wages at the door. Don't be acting no surprise. Sing me on this flow. Do you think I let them win like that without some competition? My objective is very simple. I'm here to take the show. I see them growing looks in their faces like they didn't know that this belongs to me. And if I'm not guaranteed to win, I might just snatch it all. Cause I'm that crazy stupid nigga who don't give a damn regardless of the flows and most of these foes. Pick and bang, I'm the shit little boy and these niggas hop. Envy that, it's just way too sad cause I know that they won't do a thing. Yeah, they won't do a thing. Yeah, Pet 2KG, we don't ever stop for anything. Pet 2KG, we won't ever stop for anything. Pet 2KG, we can never stop for anything. Just chase the dream, we won't ever stop, nigga. Pet 2KG, yeah. Pet 2KG, yeah. Pet 2KG, Pet 2KG, Pet 2KG, Pet 2KG, yeah.
Roses are red, violets are blue. The teen way rise, go, I'm chasing the prize. Mama the phone hayo, anke imali nditembe. Nditembe is true. Pezul, I'm looking for you and I'm loving the view. I'm on a machine, chasing this dream. This shows, I'm making them scream. Wanga baya yazim finally him. Nazimkuno sumna, I'm living the dream. Black and white nana, yazile team. Come to no go down the pumandi, petenge santa le vigine. I'm finally living. Chicken I finally Liverpool, I'm not. Put to cause on my side nowadays, I never walk alone, never. Let's go beat him now, I'm never home alone. Put to cause on my side, put the jar on my side. Fulanin Lela, Nancy sees he train, put the cause on my side, put the Utatako, Utatako, Utatako. Cause on my side, Nan, put the ha. Utatako, Utatako, Utatako. Father fig I'm not, but do that was on my side, Pete but do that was on my side, Pete Utatako, Utatako.